Okay, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing the North Face ThermoBall traction booties. You see here, so I'm a UK 11 that I've gotten, and I think that's like a little cody thing for it. And then back of the box, side of the box that nobody ever reads. Let's see what we got. I'm doing Everest Base Camp in December. So these will be my, I don't know what to call them, chill shoes for when I'm not hiking. Something that's warm and hopefully keep me warm. Full stop, because I can't wear slops. So in the bucket we got this all wrapped up, like this, like that. That's my wrap. Here we go. This reminds me of that, like, I've seen people wear jackets like this, like a puffer jacket type of thing. You had two different styles. There was this upper one, and then the other one was more of like a lower cut. I went for the upper one. North Face inside, bit of a side view, this inside view. What else did we do in here? This one came with a little thing on the back, so product code if anyone's wondering, and whatever that's going to say, I'm not reading it. And then yeah, pretty much as I say, so this is the left side or left shoe. You got ThermoBall Eco, North Face, and you got these little hooks here. What else? Bottom of the shoe, give you a bit of an idea on the traction. But yeah, as said, expecting up to, hopefully, worst case scenario, -30. So I'm going to be having nice thick socks on, and hopefully these will keep me warm. But by the time, if this is January 2026 or further, if you're curious to know if it kept me warm or not, drop a comment below and I'll definitely let you know. I also got this guy, so out of curiosity, I want to see how much it's going to weigh. So if I reset it, boom, kgs, and then I hook it up here, I was hoping this could kind of tell how heavy it is. So I think it's stopped. I'll show it, 0.2 kgs for the left. If I reset it, so you sort of reset. Let's remove this. So reset, not pounds, reset. Put it on the hook and pull, and drum roll, same weight. So 0.2 on either side, doesn't go any deeper than that. So 0.400 grams for a size 11 UK, 12 USA, or 30 centimeters, or an EU 45.5. But there you go. These are the ThermoBall traction booties. If you guys have any comments or questions below, drop it and I'll let you know my experience. Otherwise, thanks for watching.